me. It's my new life. Can't believe it.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, but it's telling me cashes. Punch you like boxers. Pretty, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care what you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Way. Fucking on my ex, cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey. My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the picky. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see it. I'm blind.
This is my meal and I call it girl dinner. Guys, these wings slap, shame, I don't wanna lie, but they currently frozen. I think there's about 4 or 5 lana. I don't want to eat much because I'm about to sleep, so
I'm down, she could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, better get payback. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much, I hit my custom home. Third day, pop out the door.
Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me? Is it so? How the faucet running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, it's stuck in your zone. You know that I love you, but I don't want to give up. Baby, I just want you to give up. Lately, I've been really fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lately I'm broke. I know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to give up. Baby, I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me?
yo, I need to wear my glasses. I equally. Guys, so yo, it was load shedding from 6 to 8, and it is load shedding because I didn't go to the gym today. Guys, you can even see my arm. I'm so big. Okay, it's not funny, like it's not funny. I need to go to the gym tomorrow morning. Tomorrow I'm working from home, so I'm planning on going to the gym in the morning. Guys, please wake me up, please. Yo, this one was and yes, I need to make sure I wake up at 5:30. Didn't get any gym go 6, back by 7, getting ready to sit on my table and work because I've gained so much and it's not cute, and I need to do something about it because graduation is approaching. Graduation is approaching. Your girl is graduating again. Okay, yeah. Guys, you call the phone to me like and I'm born. Let me close this blind because it's shut and just shut down. Shut. Yeah, I'm born and jutes. You see that? But anyways, I just got. I'm not gonna do a tour. My place is as good as empty. So my place is as good as empty. You can even like hear the echo. Kune-echo lan. You close the door. Privacy. There's supposed to be a couch there, but I'm getting it next week. Yeah, hopefully next week.
Keep focus on.
Can't wait. I can't wait. I literally can't wait. Like, yo, guys.
You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you.
This cup. So gorgeous girls now have a mark of positivity. So this is the coolest mark of positivity. Believe in yourself. The best is yet to come. You're enough. What is this? Enjoy the little things. Of course, I'm definitely enjoying the little things. You are perfect just the way you are. Be kind to yourself. Choose to be happy. You're doing so much better than you think. So, tomorrow is Valentine's Day. Watch me thinking when you say before Ngabuni taking a man to be a cup of positivity. Oh, Sana. But either way,
I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I just lost my hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, won't take this never did. But you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I just lost my hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item.